Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here. I'm in peaceful Reeseville. This is where they had the train derailment. I was just talking to a guy, and then I'm on my way back here to try to take a peek on it. What a bunch of junk. I mean, it's an old barn. They had a train derailment. They said it was 20 to 30 cars. Look at how this it looks like sawdust is spread up against there. You want to talk about a fire hazard, this whole thing. The whole shit works. You got some serious equipment they brought in here to work on these tracks. You can see it's quite a ways down from here. It's a major job to get this thing cleaned up and stuff. All right, folks. Peaceful Reeseville. Wow, it's amazing the damage here. I don't know if a tornado came through here or what, but also, these are pretty old. You notice how there's like a sag in the building and stuff. Like the whole thing was kind of coming apart. A lot of these small towns like peaceful Reeseville, they're old, and then they had their heyday at one time, and it's past. And they don't really have like here a body of water, which is always, a big thing. If you got water, people want to be around it. There's another one that's in rough shape. It's interesting how they have the different types of shingles displayed on there. Now this thing came from Connecticut to help probably with the and then they're bringing in semi-loads with the ties. It's interesting how they have the rail in between on the semi. Hooks the ties in. They brought in some lights for at night, folks. This just looks like a whole truckload of those ties with the rails in between. CP, I don't know if that's Canadian Pacific or what. They got some heavy equipment. They got a huge excavator bucket here. How's it going?
Going all right.
Working on the derailment, huh?
Yeah.
They said it's about 30 cars, huh?
I don't know all the details. I'm just posted up here doing my job.
Oh, yeah. And they're paying you good for it.
Volunteer.
Oh, really? Volunteer? But you still get paid, though, right? No?
No.
Volunteer, huh?
Yeah.
That's fantastic. Yeah, this is the most exciting thing happened here in Reeseville in a long time.
Oh, there's one of these just a couple of years ago, right? Basically in the same spot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from Fox Lake.
Oh, Fox Lake?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.